What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best smart locks in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save some money and at the same time get a product of solid quality, we say check out the Wyze Smart Lock, the best budget smart lock available on the market in 2022. Wyze is a solid choice for users looking to dive into the world of smart locks. Although some competitors have additional features, they also have higher prices. We'll start with the installation, which is quite simple. All you need to do is follow the locking application that'll easily guide you through the step-by-step guide. The package also contains all the connectors and adapters you'll need, depending on the age and the type of lock on your door. You'll need to have a socket within 50 feet of the door for the included Wyze gateway to communicate with the lock. However, don't worry about power outages, because the lock can also be connected via Bluetooth. This system is only for the inside of the door, so your existing key will work as well. Compared to some other smart locks on the market, Wyze Smart Lock is simple. You can lock and unlock the door manually through the app, or set geofencing to automatically unlock the door when you're within range. You can also set rules for automatically locking the door after a certain period of time. Wyze Lock will also alert you if you leave the door open for an extended period of time. If you have family or roommates, you can also give them permission by sending them an email link to download the app. Then you can also remove that access from the application if necessary. We must not forget the support for Google Assistant and Alexa, which is always welcome. Built-in gyroscope that'll always know the position of the door, automatic unlocking and locking, easy sharing with other family members and desired friends. The Wyze Smart Lock comes in the size of 2.5 by 2 by 4.9 inches and weighs 1.22 pounds. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we say check out the Eufy Smart Lock Touch Wi-Fi, the best value smart lock on the market in 2022. The product offers a sleek look, easy installation, and a built-in fingerprint reader. In addition to the lock itself, this Eufy includes internal and external guards, keys, and various mounting hardware in the package. All parts arrive in numbered boxes that correspond to the steps listed in the written installation guide. The outer component of the zinc alloy lock has an IP65 weather rating and measures 6 by 2.7 by 1 inches. The lock has a fingerprint scanner, a keyboard with a touchscreen with 12 keys, and a hidden slot behind the magnetic packaging. At the bottom edge are a micro USB port to open the battery lock if the internal batteries break and a reset button. A data cable protruding from the rear panel of the lock is used to connect the outer and inner shields. The inner component of the lock has the same finish as the outer one. It measures 7.9 by 2.8 by 1.2 inches and has a thumb swivel to manually lock and unlock the door. The lock uses this same Eufy security app for Android and iOS as other Eufy devices. Tapping the padlock panel takes you to a large circle screen that displays the padlock icon and its status, locked or unlocked. To lock or unlock the door, just drag the icon down. At the bottom of the screen are the block events and manage access buttons. Use the lock events button to see cases of the lock opening or closing. You can see information about the date and time, who started the event, and how the lock was activated, manually or via the app. The touchscreen provides good backlighting and is very fast, while the lock responds immediately to application commands to lock and unlock the door. Also, the fingerprint scanner works flawlessly. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The next product we'll talk about is the Kwikset Wi-Fi Halo Smart Lock. Also known as the best mid-range smart lock available on the market in 2022, Halo can be used via PIN, app, or standard physical key. In addition, unlike most smart locks, Halo also includes built-in Wi-Fi with no special hub or bridge required, so you can unlock and lock your door and monitor it remotely. This makes the Halo the only smart lock with a physical key and a built-in Wi-Fi network. But Halo also lacks Bluetooth unlocking and automatic locking and unlocking based on geofencing. The touchscreen is available in 4 finishes: matte black, satin nickel, polished chrome, Venetian bronze. This well-designed lock has large panels. It's made to withstand elements and intruders. There are 3 standard lock degree marks established by the American National Standards Institute for safety against crash, impact, or other physical strikes. Using the touchscreen keyboard to lock and unlock is quite simple. Safe mode completely disables the keyboard and is a convenient and comforting option when you're away from home for a while. You also get a full history of the time and date when the lock was used. You can define up to 250 personalized user codes for visitors, which can be adjusted at any time. Codes can be limited to specific dates and periods. The company points out the 4 AA batteries can power the Halo for about 6 months of normal use. Of course, it works with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, and comes in the size of 3.99 by 4.24 by 9.74 inches, while it weighs 3.68 pounds. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, introducing the Nest X Yale Smart Lock, which took the title of the runner-up best smart lock available on the market in 2022. Nest teamed up with Yale to introduce Nest X Yale, a connected lock that combines expertise in locks that Yale has with Nest's user experience in the world of connectivity. The package includes all the necessary accessories, the lock itself, Nest Connect, the necessary hardware installation and documentation. Hardware is present for all types of doors. Nest predicted that some doors were thicker than others, and the lock itself could be further from the edge of the door. With different sets of screws and an adjustable lock, you should have no problem installing everything. Following Nest's instructional video, installing Nest X Yale is pretty straightforward. Depending on where you install the lock, we highly recommend a code of more than 4 characters. A 6-character code is comprised between safety and simplicity, but an 8-character code is preferable. Through the Nest application, it'll not only be possible to unlock the lock, but also to set the schedule for certain codes. If you know that something is coming at a certain time, you can specify the time range in which the code will work. This feature is ideal for people who rent their space to other people, for example. There is a huge potential for a lock configuration. If you have other Nest devices, such as the Nest Hello Bell, it'll be possible to sync everything together to set locking and unlocking rules. In terms of product quality, the lock is very strong, and the metal structure is resistant to all elements. In use, the Nest X Yale lock works very well. If your installation is done well, everything works smoothly. Since the lock is powered by 4 AA batteries, some users question the power capacity. Indeed, after a while, the batteries will come to an end. Fortunately, the app will notify you in advance. Notification options are very well integrated, as are the unlock automation options. No matter if you live alone, with your family, roommates, or if you rent your apartment to other people, the functionality of this connected lock will be of great benefit to you. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to the gold medal and the title of the best overall smart lock on the market in 2022. And the winner is the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock. We're looking at the smallest model in the company's catalog so far, and the first to offer built-in Wi-Fi. It also supports Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and many other third-party platforms and devices, in line with its predecessors, making it our ultimate choice for smart lock users. Like all other August locks, this model replaces the existing internal thumb rotation mechanism and uses the rest of the existing locking hardware, including keys. It has the same design as previous generations, but with 2.8 by 1.8 inches height and depth, it is noticeably smaller. At the back, there are 2 wing locks that fasten the lock to the mounting plate and the reset button. Under the hood are a Bluetooth station and a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. The built-in Wi-Fi is what sets this lock apart from previous iterations of August locks, which all require a bridge to connect to your home network. The lock is powered by 2 CR123 batteries included in the package. The box also contains a mounting plate, an optional mounting cover for thinner doors, 4 end cap adapters, a strap, a door sensor, and a quick start guide. When you access the lock using the app, you can see who locked or unlocked the door and when the event occurred. Use the guest list button to add users and give them permanent, periodic, or temporary access to the lock. You can send the call by email or SMS. The settings button takes you to a screen where you can enable and disable features such as auto lock, which locks the door instantly or on a timer, and auto unlock. The automatic locking function works smoothly and door opening warnings arrive just in time. Also, according to many user reviews, the DoorSense sensor always accurately shows the current door position. Robust third-party integrations, multi-platform support, and ease of use are good reasons to buy this lock. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, See you guys later.